Hi, in 2021 I had a very successful, absolute 100% no buy for the major part of the year, and then, a fairly low buy from late summer to early autumn, and then sort of went all out for the holiday season. But I have definitely shopped far less in 2021 than I have ever done in my life before that. So I think for 2022, moving on, sort of taking up from 2021, from where I left off in 2021, I've had a bit of a shopping plan, a strategy to save more money. And here are the things that I plan to do in 2021, so sort of strategies. First of all, I will be starting Invisalign very shortly for my teeth. So, yeah, I need to save up for that. My teeth are in appalling condition. I had braces at age 11. I wasn't happy with braces. And then my wisdom teeth turned up when I was away at university, and I couldn't, get them extracted then. So there was overcrowding, as a result of which my lower jaw is absolute crap. Then, years later, I had my wisdom teeth removed. And then gaps started forming on the upper jaw. The lower jaw, the overcrowding bit stayed where it was, gaps started forming elsewhere. So, crap overall, I'm starting Invisalign. So this means that other things, shopping needs to be, looked at. Now, I've done an audit, and until 2022 November, I have enough Hada Labo, I have enough eyeliner, hand creams, body butters. Body butters I have at least until December. Body moisturizers. Serums, SPF and treatment, I probably have enough only until around August or so. So yeah, I need to look at that. The Galactomyces Essence I might have to get around June, July. Yeah, hair care products I'm fine. I've got the Garnier Hair Food, 3 bottles of the thing. That is enough for quite a long while. Face moisturizer, no need to buy in 2022. Oil cleanser, I may have to buy in August, as also my Cosrx Good Morning Low pH cleanser. So those things I may have to buy. Maybe 2 Yes Style hauls in 2022 should sort them. Apart from that, what do I intend to buy? One-off curations, such as a Revolve Summer Beauty Bag. If they are good enough, if there are exciting new products to try, if there is value for money in terms of full sizes included, then yes, one-off curations are where it's at. I think where I need to focus on are face serums, specifically. Face serums, I'm not too happy with my stash of face serums. Because, I know I have enough until August or so, but then I have to start repurchasing after that. I will also need about 2 packets of the Hada Labo refill, or 2 bottles of Hada Labo around October or so. So maybe 2 Yes Time hauls will help, one around October holiday season, one a bit before that. Or maybe one around August or so, and one around Black Friday. Yeah, those 2 should help. 2 Yes Time hauls. Not huge ones, around, 80 quid-ish should be fine, I feel. This would work better if I had, rewards points and that years up, but sadly, that is not the case for me on Yes Style anymore. I don't know, I think Yes Style's pricing has been a bit tricky, a bit up and down-ish. Oh, I don't know why, but yeah, that is the case. Where makeup is concerned, I may buy, 1 batch of multi-cream eyeshadows around Black Friday or so, because I haven't bought multi-creams in a long while. Maybe the odd lipstick as a treat, because something has to give. But thankfully, skincare-wise, I have backups of backups. Body butter, body care as well, backups of backups, and no need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on a replacement-only no-buy for my staple products through 2022, because there are backups of backups, and you don't want things expiring, yeah? So until April, as I said, until my birthday, absolute no-buy, absolutely nothing needs to be bought. April may be some little treat, because, it's your birthday. What else do you do, yeah? A little treat. I'm not saying something huge, like an advent calendar. Nothing that's 100 quid or so, something very small. Maybe a lipstick or something. And then, low buy, replacement only no buy, until late August, which is when the Revolve Summer Beauty Bag comes out. I will not be buying any gifts with purchase, whether it is Space NK or Cult Beauty, through 2022. I'm over Cult Beauty for obvious reasons. They need to up their, customer service game a lot. And I find it easier, given my financial situation, to buy smaller quantities at a discount than, huge 175, 200 quid deals, for just for getting a GWP. So, yeah, I won't be buying GWPs at all next year. This year, we've noticed that the best products, the best bargains have been those one-off curations. Cult Beauty Christmas edits, Selfridges Christmas bundles and boxes, Space NK special edits, Revolt Summer Bag. So I feel that one-off boxes have been far better, one-off curations, better value for money than gifts with purchase or regular beauty boxes or advent calendars. Most probably that will carry forward in 2022 for me as well. I have spent the whole of 2021 without buying a single eyeshadow palette. I bought the one single eyeshadow from Shantikai, that is it. And I'm very, very, very proud of that. Not even multi-chromes. A 2020 batch of multi-chromes did arrive in 2021 because, COVID and everything delayed matters. I'll talk about that when I review the set. That order went out in February 2020, so it doesn't count as a 2022 buy. So it did keep me happy, multi-chrome Ellie, for want of a better term. I know that is not right vocabulary, but it suits. I'd like to try some multi-chromes from the US. Black Friday. They have very good Black Friday. A lot of these are often at 35% off, people, not your usual mingy 10 or 20%. So your Black Friday deals. Body butter, I went a little bit mad when I found that Bath & Body Works were doing 3 for 2. And I ordered quite a few body butters and body creams and body lotions, really. So there should be enough until November. Next Black Friday will be when I buy the next body butters or body creams. Perfume, I bought just the one Jo Malone Red Hibiscus, which I've shown you. I may not buy any in 2022 unless Jo Malone or somebody else does an absolute limited edition launch like that. I am happy with the perfumes that I have. Once I run out of my top favorites, I'll talk about this in other videos if anybody's interested. Once I run out of my top favorite perfumes, I will repurchase those specifically. That's it. So in a nutshell, very quickly, that's my shopping strategy for 2022. What is yours? Will you be saving or splurging this year? Will you be going all out, or will you be watchful? Do you have a lot of stash to get through? Will you be shopping your stash? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.